At last, we meet for the first time for the last time. Has your radar ever been jammed so bad that you lost your bleeps, your sweeps, and your creeps? Well, have no fear. We'll get you back up and running with this video on how to wire your Hayward Full Height Turnstile. Hi, I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew over at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Hayward HT431 Full Height Turnstile video, please click the link in the description. Your general field wiring for a Hayward HT431 Full Height is very minimal. You'll have your incoming power and you'll have access control wires. It is a good idea to verify that your incoming power has no voltage present. Yep, no voltage. First, start by locating your power supply, and you have 3 terminals: your line, your neutral, and your ground. Connect the 3. First your line, then your neutral, and finally your ground. Your incoming access wires will get wired to the corresponding directions, with a set of blue wires being your clockwise and your set of white wires being your counterclockwise. Once you have finalized your connections, you'll provide an activation from your card reader and test for, you guessed it, properation. Please note that for access control activation, you will need a normally open dry contact from the access control system. The voltage applied to this circuit from outside power sources will damage the control board. One other point to remember is that when reading the manual or watching any of our videos, we refer to clockwise and counterclockwise. We use these terms instead of entry and exit because on a tandem unit, one side is clockwise and the other side is counterclockwise. Using the term clockwise and counterclockwise removes any confusing details. Power on, and provide the activation. Simulated as a card read. We've got activation light here, and we've got activation light here. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys. We'll see you in a galaxy far, far away.